Hey guys, so I've been having some problems with my Keychron K1v4. Um, so right now the Bluetooth, it's on the pairing mode. Let's try to add it on my latest Windows 10 Pro, build 2004. Right, it shows up. Okay, that sounds good. Keychron K1 connected. Right. Let's do some typing tests. Oh yes, the latency issues as well as ghost key problems, just random repeated letters. So you'll start doing this, and then once we know well, it'll be fine. But sometime after, yeah, you'll just do that. Yeah, it's not even registering my key there. Oh, I'm not touching anything. Okay, yeah. So stuff like this is, for some reason, this happens to my Windows computers, not just this computer. My iPad was fine. So iPad OS isn't the problem here. I think it's something with the Keychron keyboard and Windows. Yeah. Yeah, so normally when it starts having problems like this, the latency builds up and the Bluetooth connection cuts out at some point. And at that point, I just can't recover the device unless I switch off the device again. Even that sometimes doesn't re-establish the Bluetooth. Yeah, it's really annoying. It's basically, oh, there we go. Yeah, so you can see the flashing one, which means the pairing has been lost. So I cannot do anything anymore. Okay, so from here, let me try shutting it down. So really, this should re-establish the Bluetooth network, the connection, sorry. But yeah. So really, the only way to go back to that state that it was, the connection state, is redoing the pairing process, which is a pain. So yeah, so this is the problem. I'll be reaching out to Keychron support as well on this, but right now it seems like a lot of people are having this issue, especially with Windows. So I think it's definitely a problem. So keep in mind when you're trying to use your Keychron K1 in Bluetooth mode, this can happen to you. So just be aware. Thanks.